Welcome to Poseidon Asia Inc., your maritime training partner will start here. In a groundbreaking collaboration, Poseidon Asia Incorporated, a leading maritime training company, has introduced its state-of-the-art Poseidon Borealis Ecdis simulator at the esteemed University of St. Anthony in Iriga City, Philippines. This partnership marks a significant milestone in maritime education, as students now have access to cutting-edge technology that will enhance their learning experience and prepare them for successful careers in the maritime industry. The Poseidon Borealis Ecdis simulator is a powerful training tool designed to equip future seafarers with the necessary skills to navigate modern vessels in a rapidly evolving maritime landscape. With its advanced features and realistic simulation, the simulator recreates real-life scenarios, enabling students to develop critical decision-making abilities in a safe and controlled environment. University of St. Anthony, known for its dedication to excellence in maritime education, has embraced this technological advancement to provide its students with an immersive learning experience like no other. With the Poseidon Borealis Ecdis simulator now on campus, the university has positioned itself as a leader in maritime training, ensuring its graduates are well prepared to meet the challenges of the industry head-on. With the Poseidon Borealis Ecdis simulator available at University of St. Anthony in Iriga City, students will be at the forefront of industry advancements, positioning them for success in their maritime careers.